Just to let you guys know, there is a slight drizzle here at Lord's and the rain cover is coming on. Luckily it's the lunch time, but a slight drizzle is happening here at Lord's on the second day of tests at the lunch time. It's a huge cover. Seems like a train bogie to me. Let's see if they are taking it on the pitch or not. No, they are not taking it on the wicket yet. So hopefully the rain stays away, but it's slight drizzling at Lord's at the moment. Lunchtime. They're still keeping it away from the wicket. Let's see what do they do. What is the decision, final decision here? No, they are just sitting on it. That's all right.